going through the back. Look at you. He's up under him, man.
Riding him, isn't he?
Well, looks like the senator will be all right after all. Yeah, let's take it back to the office.
Don't you do anything but polish that cattle.
Takes care of me. I take care of it. Not much to identify him. That's all there was.
Like a good girl, isn't she, Dad?
It's quite a chunk of ammunition.
Putting up with that puppy all the time.
No markings. Johnny.
And she's gonna want to kill him half the
I
time.
don't know. I didn't see him try to. Try to find him. Inside of 5 minutes. I'll do my best. You men go outside and claim your horses. Any unclaimed horse becomes a property of Laramie.
What's the matter with him, Tiny? Huh? You going crazy, girl? Huh? Yeah. You going crazy, ain't he? Look at him trying to fuck you in the back. Damn, boy, get down now.
That's what he's doing, too, isn't it?
Yeah.
Horny, man. Can't get you none of that, boy. You can keep on knocking, but you can't come in.
This is my horse. Come on, horse.
Did he come on you? Huh?
The only two left.
Yeah, did he come on you, girl?
He stood just about the right length of that.
He's up there saying, I'm about to.
This one's got a
Get me some of this.
on the left forearm. Should be easy tracking. Figure a man's got a rifle fits that shell.
Well, he got good taste anyway, puppy. She's beautiful, I know. You got the sexiest bitch in Henlossie you live with.
The senator inside. I'll get by now. See if I can find this horse's tracks. You keep checking until train time. Yes, sir.
Trying to piss her off, puppy, because she knows what you're doing. She ain't gonna let you have none of that now. That ain't gonna work, boy. That puppy ain't getting none of that bud, is he?
No, hardly could. Good girl. Didn't get no pussy, did he?
That's all I need.
That's what Tiny's all right. Yeah.
She's a good girl, huh? Yeah, she loves you, don't you, Dad?
Yeah.
Sure does, man. She got a lot of heart for you. Well, both of them does, really. That puppy loves you too, man.
Look.
Yeah, that dog will get housebroken too. It won't be long. He's still doing his business in here, but you know, I hadn't been home in a long time either, Dad. You know,
Way over there.
if I was home, he wouldn't have peed down the floor. Unless I was asleep or something, then he probably would have. He'll eventually get to where he comes and tells us he wants to go outside. I look forward to him doing it anyway.
No, I'm Marshal Troop's deputy.
Especially if he just sits down and barks at me, I'll say okay, then get up and go to the door and let him out. You know, try to get him that way too. You know, well, whenever he sits and barks at us, if I persistently do that, then maybe he'll know that that's the way I take it. You want to go outside. He's starting to get pretty frustrated now. He's had enough of that.
Well, what do you think of the speech? Not bad. Bigger mistake? Well, I guess it's bound to sooner or later.